What's up, JKD family? It's your boy Derek, back with another video today. So pretty much I'm gonna be doing a little reaction video to some really bad decisions that some truck drivers made, driving off the road, messing up their loads, doing what they exactly not supposed to do, if that makes sense to y'all. You know what I'm saying? So we gonna go ahead and get this started. Let's go. All right, guys, look like we got a inner city driving going on. Oh, I wonder who was in the wrong there. I can't really tell what the green light is, but next. All right, let's see what's going on here. Got the white truck. That man didn't see that clearance. That man did not see that clearance. All right, we got the road going. Let's see what we got here. Let's see what we got here. Oh, they going around something. Red. Oh, them boys got lucky. Them boys got lucky, man. How you not secure the load, man? Even though it ain't no 18 wheel, you still gotta secure the load, bro, no matter what. Come on now. Come on now. Come on now. Oh, that's the truck fault right there. Like, are you not checking your mirrors, bro? You gonna run the man's bike over? You gonna run the man's bike over? Come on, bro. That's disrespectful right there. All right, look like they got a toll or something. I don't know what it is. Got a toll. You just gonna back straight up into my man? How you gonna back straight into my man, bro? Like, come on now. You gonna keep back? I don't know. I don't see no stop signs, no stop light, no yield. Like, what are they doing, man? It was the truck's fault, I think. Somebody jumped out when they wasn't supposed to. Okay, you got Final Destination here. Gotta check your blind spot, bro. What is you doing, bro? Alright, well, the car should have known, man. What's the car doing? You gonna try to take the truck?
Automatic. So then you don't like lose 10
mad
minutes because you forgot to even consider
pulling up to the gas station.
Take the chance of losing more from your pay.
Opting
About
out
to get some gas. So you put your car straight into reverse and not even think twice about it when you could easily just pull forward. And then you want to pull forward. Oh, so he hit him. And he trying to, is he leaving? But he like, what is you doing? Got more trucks. Slam on the brake. Or he done smacked somebody behind him. Oh, okay, I see. It was a pile up. So somebody in front of him smacked the brakes. And then they came back and hit the brakes again. And then they ran in. However that happened. Yellow light, red light. Damn. That's bad. Somebody tried to run the red light. Or he probably slammed on brakes in front of the truck. Okay, just run the car off the road. That's alright. Yo, these guys is bad at driving, bro. Don't be like these guys. Please don't be like these guys. Yeah, that's just. You gonna back all. I guess they don't got mirrors on their trucks, man. I guess that's just what it is. Nobody uses mirrors anymore. What type of lanes are these? This must be in another country. Like, I don't get it. Oh, that's the car's fault. You seen them? Damn. Damn, son. Yeah, that's tragic right there, bro. pass when your car not fast enough. I don't know what that is, a Toyota, what is it, a Ford, something. Wow, so he's trying to make a pass too? Yo, these dudes drunk, buddy. They out here, they out to kill somebody, for real. They out to kill somebody. Wow. These dudes just can't drive, man. Who gave these people their license? I don't get it. Like, why do they have a license? You should not have a license at all. You almost killed. Oh man, I know that shit hurt. I know that hurt. On the moped, right up under the tire. You got to do better than that, man. You got to. You got to do better. Okay, it's a rainy day, doing some highway driving. Oh, what? Oh, and he did that shit on purpose. He tried to cut that man off. I don't know, what was that, a way station or some shit? Or something? He tried to just kill that man. Oh, he went back and cut him off. Oh, shit, they having a road rage. They road raging right now. Damn, he probably about to run in the back of him. All right, y'all, we're gonna do one more before we cut this video short, man, so that there can be a part 2. This is gonna be part 1 of the reactions. You know, I don't want to put all of them into one video, but we're gonna edit on this one right here, man. He just probably wasn't paying attention to the road, man. Bad driving. So I hope y'all enjoyed the video, man. We got to see some bad drivers going crazy on the road today. I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Tune in to all future videos if you can. So it's JKD Family. It's your boy Derek. I'm out. Peace.